What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to create home screen folders on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, press and hold on a app and then drag the app on the app and release your finger, and then the folder will be created. Now you can add more apps to this folder. So to add another app, press and hold on the app and then drag it to the folder. Now you can also rename the folder. So just simply tap on the folder name and then you can give a new name, and after that just simply tap on anywhere on the screen and the name will be changed. Now if you want to remove this folder, then you can drag all the apps outside of the folder and then the folder will be removed. So that's how you can create screen folders on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.